Good morning students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 3, exercise 13.1. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle. You can see the diagram. It is rectangular in the middle and semicircle at the ends. You can see here it is semicircle and these two ends are semicircle and in the middle it is a rectangle. As shown in the diagram, find the area and perimeter. You need to find area and perimeter of the garden. What is given here in this diagram? Diagram is given and the total length of this shape is given 20 meter and the thickness of this garden is 7. That means width we can take 7, which we can consider as the diameter of the semicircular portion. This 7 meter we can consider as the diameter of the semicircular portion and length of this total complete garden is 20 meter. Now from this question and the diagram what we can get? We can get that we can find a total given total length 20 meter. Diameter of the semicircle you can see it is 7 meter. Radius of the semicircle, if the semicircular radius is 7, diameter is 7 meter, then radius will be 7 by 2 meter. And breadth of the rectangular field. Breadth of the rectangular field, which we can see that if this one is the length, then breadth of the rectangular field is 7 meter. 3.5 from this side and 3.5 from this side. So the length of the rectangle we can find. In this way we can find the length of the rectangle. So this length will be 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 from both sides meter. 20 minus 3.5 and 3.5 means 7 meter. That is 13 meter. Okay. Now you know, now you have all the length, breadth and the radius of the circular portion. All are here. You can see that it is 13 meter. This is 7 meter. So the area of the rectangular field you can find out. Therefore, area of the rectangular portion, length into breadth, that is 13 into 7 meter square. Now area of the rectangular portion is 13 into 7, that is 91 meter square. And area of the two semicircles, you can see two semicircles are at the two end of the rectangular portion, and you know the radius also 3.5 or 7 by 2. Two semicircles pi r square by 2. Two semicircles, so 2 into pi r square by 2. Put the value of the pi r square 22 by 7, 2 and 2 you can cancel out. 22 by 7 into r square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 meter square. Cancel all these, 11. So 77 by 2 meter square or 77 by 2, that is 38. If you divide you can get 3 to the 6, 1 7, 3 8 is 16.5 meter square. So 38. Therefore total area, you have seen that area of the rectangular field is 91 meter square and circular portion is this. Therefore total area of the garden 91 plus 38.5 meter square, that is 129.5 meter square. To find the perimeter of the garden. Perimeter of the garden is, when we are finding the perimeter of the semicircular portion, perimeter of the garden means two semicircular portion and this length, that is 13 from this side and 13 from this side. So semicircular area, semicircular length of these two portions. So pi r, you know that perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, as because it is semicircle, so so only pi r from this side and pi r from this side. If you add this pi r and pi r, you will get 2 pi r. So what will be the value of 2 pi r? 2 into 22 by 7, and you know the radius is 3.5 meter. 3.5 for this 10, you can, for this decimal you can take 10 here. Now 2 5s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 7 cancelled out, equal to 22 meter. Now you have to find the perimeter of the garden. Perimeter of the garden now is two semicircular portion, that is 22 plus 13 from this side and 13 from that side. 13 plus 13 meter, 22 plus 26 meter, 48 meter. Now the perimeter of the garden and the area of the garden, total area of the garden you can have find out. So I hope the sum is easy, but you have to understand the concept, and for this you need to practice. Now question number 4. A flooring tiles has the shape of a parallelogram. You can see a rough diagram of a parallelogram I have taken. Parallelogram whose base is 24 centimeter and corresponding height is 10 centimeter. Corresponding height is 10 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square? Area is given 1080 meter square. Now you know the area of one tile, you can find out that you know that area of the parallelogram base into height. So base is also given, height is also given. Base of the tile 24 centimeter, or you can convert it into meter, so it will be 0.24 meter. Corresponding height 10 centimeter or 0.10 meter or 0.1 meter. So breadth and length, base and height, both you know, you can find out in meter. It is 0.24 meter and 0.1 meter. Now area of the tile, area of one tile, base into height. Base is 0.24 into height is 0.1 meter square, that is 0.3 places of decimals are there, so 0.024 meter square or 24 by 1000 meter square. Now you know that area of one tile is there and total area to be covered is also there. Therefore number of tiles required total area of the floor, that is 1080 meter square divided by 24 by 1000 meter square. Divide it, complete the work. (1080) into 1000 by 24. Complete the cancellation. Cancel this 24. If you need do the rough work, you can do in the right side. 24 into 1080, it will be 45. So 45. Now multiply. The number of tiles will be 45,000, 45,000. So number of tiles not required to the unit. Sorry. Number of tiles area of this also meter square, areas of this also meter square, so cancelled, unit is cancelled. Number of tiles we are finding now, so number of tiles 45000. This is the answer of this sum. We are doing only 2 sums today as your exams are going on, so practice this. Thank you, students.